All right, good afternoon from here, guys. It's wonderful to be here again. Should I say in our midst, or it's wonderful to have you guys here again. So I'm gonna clear all these things. I'll just be looking at the EU and the GU. I had to get back early so that I'll be able to record this stuff before I go off to work. So having a little network lag. Okay, I think that's response. So removing drawings. I'm gonna take off my alerts. So we have a fresh bias for the week. Now, mind you, I haven't looked at the chart since on Friday, so I've not done any prior analysis. Okay, before now. So whatever I do here now is just what I see now. So I'll take off every form of a fixed bias, and then let's see how flexible we can be with our analysis today. Why is the network giving me this lag? The internet connection is fine, but I don't know why it's lagging. I have to take off this, guys. Okay. The serious network lag, guys. So you all bear with me today. Network lag is serious. So where should I start from? Maybe I should start from the EU. So we already had the monthly bias. I think I mentioned it sometime around this level. So we came down to that level. The monthly low that's the monthly low as a low for this month is I think it's here. And I told you all the next location or the next point where it's going to is this high here. Yeah, right there. So because there's left for weeks, here is a strong support zone. You see price rejecting off this area multiple times. Oh god, my network is crazy. I'm putting objects, but no object is showing. So let's see what we've got to do. Guess the network is better now. So let's kick off. We have the monthly level here. Look at, we rejected from this monthly here. We pulled up. Okay, we pulled up, and this is it. We closed above this guy here, and we came back to target, and then we are going off to these regions because, like I said before, there are multiple areas of this is an area of resistance where price has rejected from severally and closed below. If I use the line chart, you see it. This is an area of resistance, and this time it is coming. What are we expecting? We're expecting a close, or we are expecting a bullish momentum. We're expecting a bullish momentum to, yeah, because if you, okay, let's do this now. Let's do this now. So we're not going to do it again. We'll just be looking at the levels. So we have this guy here. This is the monthly levels, right? So this one has been mitigated. If you watch well, look at this guy here and this guy. The two of them had been mitigated by this level. All right. Network has resumed again. Give me a minute. All right. So yeah. So once we break above here, we're expecting a surge. These are the monthly levels that we have here. We have another one right up here. Then I think that's also there'll be long candles. You see long candles like this guy here. We'll be seeing things like that around this level on the monthly. There'll still be a lot of bullishness on the monthly. All right, let's have it. This is the monthly. Let's push down to the weekly. On the weekly, we had this guy here that rejected price right here. It didn't trigger. Okay, it didn't trigger. But let's mark it out still. Okay, guess it was this level I was waiting for, and then price just rejected, yeah, something like that. Okay, but then there's two, yeah. I was waiting for that level, I remember now. I was waiting for this guy here, and then somehow price just started rejecting from the imbalance. This is the imbalance here. This is imbalance. Just this level. This week right there is the imbalance. So that's no biggie. That's no biggie. So like I said, this is an area of what resistance, right? So we got that pullback. We got the pullback to. We've gotten a move. Look at this is this is a resistance. Okay, this resistance was closed what above, like price closed above rather, with the with a body candle, right? So we're expecting what? We're expecting a pullback and then a surge continuation for buys, right? That's what we're expecting. So we had that pullback to this. Remember, because of the way the way candles open, we probably can have like something like this. The candle closed here, then somehow during the Monday open or Sunday night Australian session open, you just see price jump down and then just continue. You get those kind of movement or this kind of movements. Okay, it happens. You get it happens. That's why intraday overnight, like when I mean overnight slash over week positions, they're not ideal because you might be buying here and somewhere low here, then price just jumped to you and just started from here. You see that gap between here and here. So you should be looking at the candles. The candles tell the story. The price closed here, so this candle will be here. And then this candle's closure is what I use. This candle here, this candle here. This is the POI. See that closure of the candle, then the open of this one. This is the POI. So look at how it was sniped. So from there, I was looking for confirmations from that low. Looking for confirmations. That was a bit late because of course work and everything. So I was actually buying. Yeah, I was buying. I sold to that level and I'm buying. All right, so let's see. Let me go back to the daily. Like I said, I'm taking off every bias off my mind. So you're going in with a neutral mindset here now. Come on, network. Don't want this to take longer than it should. Why is it? I don't like this today. Guys, I don't know why it's like this today, but y'all bear with me. Bear with me. So if you're looking at the daily, you feel or you see that this guy is also still bearish, even as it has rejected from this daily POI. Look at it. Look at this low here, this V and A level. You see this level here is the POI and price rejected off the lower POI to tell you that this is proper mitigation, right? Look at it right there. The proper mitigation. We have these levels right here, this guy here. Okay, and we also have this guy here. So that is if price is going to come down, having these levels. Okay, that guy has been mitigated. Use this one. Here, yeah, here and here. Now these are all the free POIs, including this last one, of course. These are the supports that are all mitigated right there. So first of all, let's see if the sell is coming from a discount, or if the buy rather is coming from a discounting price. The buy is coming from a discounting price. You can see below the 50% of the range. Below 50% of the range. So that's it. Here it is. So looking at targets, targeting of course from the daily, which is this 1.09517 level as TP. We're not going to go high or far yet. So guys, the network is kind of crazy today, and I'm not going to lie, it's frustrating. Frustrating. Thing is, I've sat down to make this video and I won't stop. So this is it. Target on the daily, of course, for the EURUSD. Okay. Target of the EURUSD is on the daily right there. You see this daily guy, this daily stuff here, and you also see this ascending trend line. So anticipate what? A third touch. Right, and rejection. You get, so that's, I'm taking profits off at this high. Yep. Then let's see GBPUSD. That's all for EURUSD. So I was seeing on GBPUSD. I said I sometimes when I said I was anticipating continuous sales for the GBPUSD based on one or two reasons best known to me, and I'm gonna explain to you guys now. Now here is a POI. See this whole level? That's the V level, right? Then we had this A level right here, of which price had already mitigated, right? And price is closing above. Cool. But based on the fact that it's been mitigated, I'm not going to consider this rejection. Okay. First of all, we had a monthly, which is this level and this level, right? Then price came down, 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 down. If you from the monthly, I told you guys something about the GBPUSD. No matter what, GBPUSD is going to still do what it wants to do, right? I think I mentioned that. So you see, it came close to this PY, but then we rejected it. Now see that rejection. Now see this daily. This is the daily order flow. This is daily order flow. If you look on, if you break this down to 4 hour, you see this is a break of structure, and there's also a break of structure around this level. Yes. Yeah, and now this is a pullback. And now, should I say funny enough or what? We are having this as our PY. Yeah, here. And price has not come to it. And then there's also, I think this one is mitigated. Let me see if it's mitigated. It's not mitigated yet. So we still have this guy here. We have this PY here. So there's inducement here and of course possible inducement here. So let's see this on the 4 hour. Okay, we have price rejecting off this low here, this one, and which is just what, a 4 hour PY. It's not a daily PY. This is where the daily PY is, right? And now if I'm refining this daily PY, where will I refine it to? If I'm refining it, I'll refine it to this level right here, right? And this level is close to this level, and also there's this little gap here, so this may even be used as an inducement. And there's one thing that's also suspicious. There was a break of structure here. Break of structure here. And then a sweep of the high. Price was supposed to do this, continue selling, tap back, continue selling, and tag this PI. But then it rejected and did this. And we have this whole PI to ourselves. Are you seeing something similar with what we are saying on the EURUSD? So when things happen like this, structure has changed, moving from what, the bearish order flow to the bullish order flow. Right, since we have something like this, look at this too. Price did not close, or price closed above this level, and that's bad. So let me see. Yeah, so we can just see this. You can see price pull to this place and then buy continuation straight up. That's what I'm expecting for price, because there has been the liquidity sweep already, already. Even if it wasn't tagged here, even if you didn't tag in this level, there's the liquidity sweep and also the break right there. So let's see, let's check the 3 hour. Okay, so pretty nice. This might hold, might have bias, let's say this level, stuff like that. So this is pretty crazy, but let's just wait here. 10 pips. And then you have a 1:5. And of course, going forward, you can watch this POI, see if this guy we reject price to this one, and then we'll have buy continuations. You get, so we are following this price little by little. Always try to go through all the time frames. Okay, know that there's a POI here, and then there's the refinement right here, also another POI here. Just check the daily, check the weekly. Now you see us rejecting from here, this guy here. So, and this guy is this candle is this on the daily, right? This candle swept a lot of liquidity, 2 days liquidity, 2 whole days liquidity, and then we saw that those buys. So if you want to push price, remember of course the bias is bullish, so we are expecting price to go way above this. And from where we are now, not where we are, from where we are going to take the buys, that is if this is still buys that will go high, we are looking at 300 pips from here. So unless the buy unless it's coming back down to that box that I marked, if it's coming back to that box that I marked, that's cool too. So yeah, watch out for these guys, watch out for these things. I hope of course I did my best to explain what I see, and I just hope you'll pick it up. I hope you'll pick it up and have a great trading week ahead. Alright, love and light. You have fun.